Welcome back, YouTubers. We have some banana plants today that I wanted to show you. I ordered 2 of them online that came in today. Actually, all 4 of them were ordered online. From Stark Brothers, we have the Gran Nain, and then I ordered this one as the Little Prince. And I ordered this one from Tractor Supply. It was like $23. This is the unboxing of the Gran Nain banana from Stark Brothers. In this nice little package, usually you just pull out these little tabs, both sides. And that's what we have. And looks like the top's a little smashed. These ones get beat up pretty good. It should come back though. It's the Gran Nain banana. This is a red banana plant here. And there's my Musa Basjoo. This is the one I'm going to plant outside. There's my 4 new banana plants. We're going to transplant these into bigger pots, the 2 in the middle, and we're eventually going to plant the one on the right outside. So here's the Little Prince. I just unboxed it. It's actually got some little pups at the bottom. You can pull those off and make new banana plants if you want. So this thing gets about 2.5 foot tall. To where the Gran Nain, I think that one, this is like your Chiquita banana, but this one is about 8 foot tall, I want to say. And the Musa Basjoo, that one I'm going to plant outside. Those should get about 18 foot tall. Then you chop them down in the fall, and they come back the next year. Yep, there's my banana plants. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.